Hello, David here again, coming to you on behalf of Be in Crypto. Today, we're going to talk about automated trading bots. Specifically, we'll be covering what these bots are, what are the benefits and downsides of using them, and we'll touch on the different types out there and name a few of the more popular ones available today. By the end of this video, you should have a pretty good idea of how to get involved, if this sounds like the right path for you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's jump right into the world of automated cryptocurrency trading. Okay, the first thing we need to discuss is just what are automated trading bots anyway? Well, in this context, a bot is just software that monitors one or more exchanges and makes trades based upon predefined rules. In this way, traders can work out what their strategy is and let the code watch the market 24/7, making the exact trades the user would have made, but doing so with a minimum of oversight. Trading bots have actually been around since the 80s, initially created for professional stock market investing. Of course, they quickly made the transition into the cryptocurrency market, and today, a notable percentage of all price action is actually being run by automated systems. So, what are some of the benefits and risks with these bots? Well, let's start with the pros. The first one is fairly obvious, and that is that these systems take away the need for a trader to be watching the markets all day long in order to make the right trades. Professional traders often spend their entire days watching the markets, and traditionally, most markets closed at the end of the workday. However, cryptocurrency is 24/7 and generally much faster and more volatile than the stock market. Even when trying their hardest, a human trader simply can't always be watching, and bots make it so they don't have to. There's also the issue of response time. Even with eyes on the market, it takes time for a human to assess what's happening and execute a trade. Maybe not a lot of time, but a person can only respond so fast. A bot, on the other hand, can make decisions and place orders easily in under a second. True, there will be limitations based on both network connections and market conditions, but nonetheless, these automated traders can move far, far quicker than a person, and when it comes to highly competitive trading, a second or two can be everything. Furthermore, bots are completely unemotional. Often, some of the first advice you'll hear when beginning to trade is to take emotions out of the equation. Traders who get too passionate tend to make their decisions based on greed or fear, and this is generally considered to be one of the worst ways to trade. Solid trading strategies need to be built on math and an understanding of the market. A bot can be set up with purely logical rules and will never make an impulse trade because of a gut feeling, a skill that's actually quite difficult for many humans. Hence, when implemented correctly, a bot stands to notably increase the return that a trader sees, so it should be no surprise that so many have taken to some form of this method. However, bots obviously aren't magical money-making machines, so before we go any further, let's talk a bit about the risks involved. The biggest and most immediate issue is that the bot will only perform as good as your strategy. If your approach is flawed, the bot isn't going to do anything to fix it, and if left unchecked, could cost you a lot of your capital. It's really like anything automated. Think about a self-driving car. If it's well designed and works just right, it becomes a massive benefit. However, if there's virtually any flaw, it quickly becomes far more dangerous than just doing it yourself. This means that trading bots can't replace a user's solid understanding of trading. Sure, you can absolutely go with products that claim to offer solid results, but more often than not, you'll get burned if you have no idea what's going on under the hood. There are some exceptions here, as some products do cater to those who don't know anything about trading, but frankly, it's far better to get proficient at trading in the first place, understand your strategy intimately, and only then automate it. Another potential risk is centralization. That is to say, the bot software, the hosting website, if there is one, and any centralized exchange that you're trading on all stand to be security risks and relatively simple points to be compromised. See, even though a blockchain should be trustless and secure, the same cannot be said for the various ways that people interact with them. Really, this is the same warning we give in many of our videos, but basically we're just saying to be wary, do research, and make sure the services you're interacting with are both benevolent and secure. However, at the end of the day, whenever you're putting your finances into someone else's hands, there's always some amount of risk involved. Okay, now let's discuss a few different types of cryptocurrency trading bots. There are, in fact, many different ways these bots can operate, but there are some more popular types. You can always find a customizable system and input your own parameters, but some bots are designed for specific types of strategies. For example, there are arbitrage bots. These programs will watch the prices of assets across multiple exchanges, and when a discrepancy occurs, which is fairly common, the bots will automatically buy the opportunity on the lower priced platform and sell on the higher one. The difference in price may only be pennies, but with enough volume and by performing these trades many times a day, notable profits can be realized. Then there's market-making bots. Basically, these bots place orders on both sides of the bid-ask spread. Hence, they are market makers. If both their orders get filled, they realize a small profit. And again, this is done many, many times a day, significantly compounding returns. There's also mean reversion bots. These ones work on the theory that if a price should move too far above or below a moving average, then it will almost certainly return towards that average. Hence, buys or sells are made when these conditions occur, and if the parameters are well dialed in, this should result in more wins than losses. One other type of system is a trend-following bot. This strategy is fairly simple. Just make trades that go along with the current trend in the market, whether bullish or bearish. Of course, trends change, so you'll either need a bot that can detect those changes and shift course accordingly, or the user will have to manually adjust the bot from time to time. Again, there's as many types of bots as there are trading strategies, and many are highly customizable. So with that in mind, let's just take a peek at a few of them right now. First up, there's CryptoHopper. CryptoHopper is a highly popular offering that allows its users to, of course, automate their trading strategies. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and over 100 other coins. The product scans the market constantly and opens positions according to whatever strategy you have chosen. Features include both arbitrage and market-making strategies, as well as mirror trading, where you simply make the same trades that qualified experts are making. This further takes a trader's hands off of the wheel while still accessing trading wisdom. There's frankly a whole suite of other features, so be sure to check out their website if this sounds promising to you. Next up, we wanted to mention Osum and their autopilot investment platform. This option has less room for customization, but its creators were aiming for the users who don't want to learn or plan their own strategies. Basically, behind the scenes, a combination of AI and actual investing experts constantly rebalance your portfolio across a variety of crypto assets. Everyday market conditions are assessed, and value is shifted into the best performing coins, with no single coin ever representing more than 30% of the total pot. This means that you're highly protected from sudden, unexpected dumps, and the product claims to bring in returns that significantly outpace the market average. If you sincerely don't want to learn how trading works and just want professionals to manage everything, then this may be the product for you. Lastly, we have to touch on Hotspot. This offering is potentially solid for beginners and advanced users alike. It comes with many pre-configured bot options for those who want a simpler experience, but also offers the ability to program your own strategies for those who want complete control. This means that it could be a good platform for users who are new to automated trading, but also provides room for these traders to grow on the system and evolve into experts themselves. Of course, there are countless other services out there, and they vary in terms of options, fees, and even legitimacy. I've said it here before, and I'll say it again. Do your homework before you give anyone access to your funds. By the way, before you can utilize a trading bot, you're going to need to be holding some cryptocurrency in the first place. If you don't already have some, then maybe consider heading over to the Stormgain cryptocurrency exchange. Stormgain is not only one of the hottest up-and-coming exchanges out there, it also offers several valuable perks, such as a loyalty program, bonuses for referrals, annual interest on crypto deposits, and using the official app, you can even begin cloud mining cryptocurrency for free today. If you're looking to purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, or an array of other cryptocurrencies, then just know that Stormgain offers a little bit more than most other exchanges, so be sure to check them out. Well, that should do it for us today. You should now have enough information to start getting involved with automated trading if this seems like a strategy you'd like to explore. In any event, we all know there's changes happening all the time in the world of cryptocurrency, and you're going to want to keep up. So why not check us out at beincrypto.com, where you'll find daily updates, analysis, and more. Also, don't forget about our other content right here on YouTube, such as interviews, educational videos, and our bi-weekly news show. And lastly, if trading is your thing, then come join our trading community on Telegram, where you'll get access to the latest technical analysis from our top traders. As always, thanks to everybody for watching, and we'll see you right here again real soon.